Alrighty, back again for some more Roboy development. So this morning over coffee, I did a little bit of work on the HUD and just kind of moved some things around and then added the ability to see what components you actually have. So took about 10 minutes, maybe 20, but it's the only thing I did offline. Now let's see here. We'll give it a quick run. Make sure the controller's on. There we go. So I've learned that putting a gate there or a telepoint, whatever I've decided to call them, is a pretty good idea. Oops. And another one there. And there you go. In the bottom right-hand corner, you see the component mover icon showing that you have acquired it. Yeah. Then after that, today, I am going to finish up the second level, I think. Oh, we also replaced the grappler icon. That's another thing. So finish up the second level. This is not the second level. So, oh, there's a problem. So its particle system needs to be reduced by 6-fold. And I know that because I had to increase the sprite size by 6. So let's see here. If we grab this particle system, let's see, where's that size? If I can remember where it says in the render. No. Where is it at? Start size. Ugh, I don't think that's it. It's the whole thing. So we went up by 6 there. I think that's it right there. The shape. So the scale position should be 0. And the scale, we'll just bring it down to like right there. So whatever this is, copy that, paste it there. Let's see how that looks. I need to take those triggers out as well. Ugh. So now the particle sizes are too big. Let me see something. Maybe we can undo all of that. And then on the actual, I don't think that's anything we need to worry about. Let's see. So on the sprite itself, let's actually make that back to 1. The problem is the sprite is tiny. So let's see if we can make the sprite bigger. So that's going to be the grappler. Where's it at? Grappler. There it is. I don't think I'm going to be able to. This is the problem with them coming in too small. I need to figure out that issue. So maybe, no. Let's see, we go here. Let's actually grappler here. If we put in the original one, where is the sprite we're going to use here? It's going to be, let's just drag it a little bit easier. That one is the correct size. So I guess I need to open this and, oh, that's gross. Too much. All right, let's see here. So we got that. Now let's go back here and open this. We're just gonna select all of this. Copy it. Why does this keep going? Oh gosh, A Sprite, what are you doing to me? All right, there we go. So now we can go here. Where did the other one go? It's opening them in separate instances of A Sprite, which is not what I want to do. Let's see. Oops. And where's my view layers? So this is all from having to redo my entire system. How do I look at my layers? Layers, new layer. Let's just do that. Okay, there we go. So on the new layer, we hit V, and it's pretty much the same size. It fits in the same sprite size. So what is going on there? So this is one scale. This is there's the problem. That's it. Okay, so apply that. Now I bet you if we pull it in and player, yep, there we go. Okay, so we can get rid of that. Select this guy. Where is he at? Grappler. Change this to the grappler. That was all. Okay, so that's what it is. I'm not doing it when I make the sprite. All right, we're going to start from the top again. And I guess we should probably apply that across the board. Let's see here. Scenes. Where are we at? Scenes. 1. Yeah. Yo, yes, we want to save it. All right. Quick playthrough, make sure everything's working as intended. Whoops. And set a spawn. And we made it. Awesome. Clear. And one more up here. Catch it. Yep. Boom. Got the update. And we make it. First attempt. Get ourselves a piece of cash. Still need to fix that part. Going to the next level. Oh yeah, need to take those out. That's kind of annoying. All right, so it looks good. And it looks good when it pops. And now we can see the grappler in the bottom right. Perfect. Got the rocket, can see that. Working great. Oh, can he make it? Oh no. So we'll cheat. Ah, we know how to cheat. I'll call it cheesing. We're cheesing. I think I hear one of my youngins getting up for the day. They are out of school for today. I'm sure they're going to be happy about that. Oh, wow, that was weak and pathetic. Like shallow and pedantic. Oh my gosh, come on, Clint. Well, at least we got the 2 cash. Oh my gosh, I'm sucking right now. Yes, let's just make it easy. There we go. Okay, so we've got the battery, we've got the rocket, we've got the grappler, we've got everything we need. Sorry about that, prize. Alrighty, so, and we'll go on. And that's it. So now I've got to work on level 2. And still have the persistent stuff. It should all carry back around to do New Games Plus. Boom. Love it. Can make some more stuff up here now that you have the rocket. We can put some cool stuff up here, maybe some extra cash. That's something I need to figure out, is how to get there to be more than $1 of scrap in each level. Alrighty, before I move to level 2, let's just fix some things in level 1 that I'm not too fond of. This is driving me nuts. So I think I'm just gonna have it go all the way up like that. We're gonna erase, which I can use my hotkeys if I wanted. And boom, boom. There we go. Save that. Now we'll move on to level... Actually, and another thing I've been wanting to do is get these triggers out of here. So turn off our UI. Where are we at? Okay. So text trigger 1 and text trigger 2 can go bye-bye. And hover text canvas, we'll just leave it. Let's see if that works. I think that's all we need to do. I guess it's kind of leaving some garbage in there. Yep, perfect. And, oh, there's a missing tile. Gotta go fix that, too. And there's our grappler. Cool. Let's fix that. Okay. And I also wanted to make that like that. Good enough. And save. Moving on. Uh-oh. What do you not like? Nothing. I call it fake. Call it fake. All right. Level 2. So here's where we're at. Do our UI components have everything they need? Yes, they do. Cool. All that went through. Okay. Wrong tile. Oops. And now this one we're going to have him jump up. We've got Dozer. Dozer will push him off. And I need to write his script. Let's do that. So select him. I started it, but then it broke down on me yesterday because I hadn't installed VS Code. I mean, not Code, VS Studio. And yeah, from there, I had to quit because it was being dumb when I tried to install it. So for now, all I want this guy to do is, if he is on the ground, he should just move left. That's really all I want him to do. So let's just transform his position. So we'll say, let's do this. Say position X, which will be a float. And I think I'm going to do this right. Position X. We'll say position X equals new position. Actually, we'll just call this move. Or no, move X. Yeah, move X. And so we'll say move X. Let's just get him to move. Is equal to new vector. My bad. Vector 2. And in this vector 2, going to be, that looks very strange. New vector 2 is going to be transform dot position X plus 1 plus we'll just say speed. So there we go. And then it will be, yeah, let's make speed. Speed will be a float and it will be called speed. And this will be public. And which means we can take all of this, put it below it. So speed and then transform dot position dot Y. Do you not like that? New vector 2 transform dot position dot Y. Why do you not like that? What am I looking for here? It's looking for float X and float Y. So it's current transform position. Maybe do I need to give it an RB? I might need to give it an RB. We'll see. A rigid body coming in. I don't think, because I'm not using add force, but we probably should. So we'll call this RB. This is for Dozer controller. Cool. Okay, so instead of that, we're gonna say RB dot add force, and that's gonna be transform dot position dot x plus speed. Yeah, and then transform dot position y. Why don't you like the y? Does it need to be a vector 3? Add force. Let's just do that. Let's just do it on the x. Will that work? Why are you giving me shit, bro? These are things I've done before. What am I doing wrong? Let's take a look at previous stuff. Okay, let's see here. So when we put input, we say velocity equals new vector 2. Okay, so RB dot velocity is equal to new vector. Okay, so let's use that one then, but let's not use the input. So it would be wouldn't use input, it would just be like move left at a move speed. So left, okay, so we'll just make left and right. Copy. Let's see here. Okay, RB dot velocity equals new input horizontal. So we'll say just negative 0.1 for now times speed. RB velocity y. Okay. Equals new vector. Let's just see if that even works. Probably won't because I'm a noob. Let's, where's our speed? No, nothing. Okay, so we'll say, we'll just say -1. Let's do that. -1. Nothing. Okay, wow. I'm an idiot. Okay, why can't I get this guy to work? So we'll say RB velocity equals new vector, -1 speed times RB velocity y. I don't think I did that right. Let's see, because I probably got that. So it's saying if it is doing that, do that. Yeah, it should. But not input horizontal times move speed. It should be 1 times move speed. Ugh, why you no worky? Let's see if we do some research here. Oh, you know why? Because I didn't put an RB on the guy. That's why. Well, maybe. We'll see. Dozer has an RB. Never mind, I'm a liar. Okay, so he's got a collider, a RB. Let me see here. Sorry, 1 second. Alrighty. I'm having to do research. I'm looking things up. Let me see here. Simple enemy behavior, Unity. Okay, let's see. We say private float speed, transform.translate. Transform.translate vector 3 down, speed, time. Let me see. So transform.position y. Transform position to a new vector 3. Yeah. Let's try that. that might be it. I might have messed that up. So transform dot position equals new vector 2. And in this new vector 2, it wants two floats. And float, we're going to say, let's just say, okay, var left is equal to -1. Var right is equal to 1. So we'll say left, and it will be, let's see, so it's got the random, then y 7.5 f, that's a weird one. We'll say transform dot position dot y. Okay, new vector 2 left. Did I not do new vector 2 last time? I thought I did. Oh well. Okay, so let's just see if he does that. Let's see if he moves. The variable right is assigned. Yeah, I get it. He went way too far, I think. Let's see. Vector left 1. Let's do like, just to see, a really small amount here. I just want to see if it's even working right. Excuse me. So where the hell is he? What's his transform? Yeah, he's going way out there. So he's going way too fast, and it should be times speed. So times speed. And speed will be controlled by us. So let's play that again. He's still flying. Oh, he's going Y. Okay, so transform position Y. Let's do RB dot transform position Y. Okay, so new vector and what his current transform is. Okay, so let's try that. Although I think it should have worked before. Okay, let's see if he moves. Nope, not moving. Not set to an instance of an object. Where is this happening at? What is not? Null reference. Let's try RB dot. Oops. Transform position, new vector. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna try adding force. Oops. Okay, please. Why? Where is the null reference? Okay. Dozer controller 18 says there's speed transform position Y. I'm so confused. Where there's no null reference. Rigid body. Oh, I know what it is. I'm an idiot. Start. I could just make this public. Let's try that. Public. I know it's being lazy. I'm just being lazy. I'm not thinking today. I had 1 cup of coffee as opposed to 2. Let's see. Stop doing that. There we go. Okay. I still don't know if it's going to work. I don't think it's going to work. I think now it's flying through the ground. Let's see where he's at. He's in the ground, I think. Weird. Okay, so let's just pull you up a little bit and see if you do the same thing. Yes, you do. You go south. Okay, so this is not happening. Okay, transform dot position to new vector 2. Let's just get rid of this is making me mad. Okay, so RB dot add force, and this force is gonna go left times speed, and then the Y is gonna be RB dot transform dot position dot Y. Why do you not like that? Let's look up add force. That's pissing me off. Unity add force. We. Okay, let's see here. So it says rigid body dot add force. Okay. Transform up times thrust. Do I not need to put that? Oh, it's because it's looking for vectors. I'm an idiot. I am a total idiot. Okay, so the vector is going to be vector 2 dot left and times speed. Oh, Dorcas, you're a Dorcas. Yeah, I get it. I get it, Facebook. Okay, I think that's gonna do it. Hopefully. My brain. Gotta love it. No, it will not. It will not. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Yes, push him off. Yes. Okay, so he will stop adding force. So his force is not, he needs a little bit more speed. That's what it is. So hold on, like, let's see. If we put 10 in and then we put to 0. Then his friction. Okay, so he doesn't have a way to really stop. So if, okay, so what we'll tell it, we'll say if, what we'll do is we'll put a stop into him. So we'll say add force RB is equal to if stop. So let's try that. We'll say if stop. If we'll create a thing called stop. So public bool stop. So if stop RB dot add force. We'll say or RB dot position. Transform dot position. That's what it is. Transform dot position is equal to RB dot transform dot position. Okay. Else, we'll do this. Else that. Okay, let's see how that works. Alrighty. So we hit play. And then we're going to turn the speed up, and he's going to be moving. And it doesn't stop it. It's still... Oh, but let's also have it do that, and then do it. No, no, it doesn't want to stop him. See, here is the problem with force. Okay, so if stop rb.transform.position equals... we need to make it current. No, can't do that. So add force. How to make him stop the force? Okay. Maybe we don't do add force. This is what's making me mad. I cannot figure out what to do. Never done an enemy before. First times. This is going to be a fun day. Let's see. So else RB add force. We'll just comment this out. For now, we're going to say else RB dot transform dot position is equal. Oops. Position is equal to a new vector. Oops. New vector 2. And that vector 2 is going to be looking for the x, which is transform dot position dot x plus left. And we'll change these later. Will that work? No. Oh, I didn't keep... That's not up here. Plus vector 2 left. Let's do vector 2 dot left. Will that work? No. Okay. So minus speed. And then, will it let us just do that one thing? I think it will. No. What does it want? It wants the other one? Okay. So we'll say transform dot position dot y. You like that? Oops. Save. ounce play. So speed. Oh, too much. Too much. Okay, this is good. This is not bad. Okay, so speed should be 0.1. Nope. Okay. And 0.01. 0.01. Perfect. Okay, so now we'll say if he stops. So we'll say play, and then we can stop him. See if he stops. Yes. Okay, so perfect. I didn't do the right speed there. 0.01. Let me stop him. He will stop if his collider touches, and we'll say, okay, he'll always go forward. So his position will always be facing left, or he'll go the direction he's facing. All right. So he'll stop. Let's go ahead and get a collider on him. So he has a polygon collider. We're going to add a box collider 2D. And this will look here. And it'll basically say, oops. If you don't feel ground there, oh my gosh. Controlling colliders is annoying. Where did it go? Composite collider? Oh. Here we go. All right. Yes, sir. What's up, Feeble? Long time no see, my bro. How you been? You want to see where we're at? Currently, I'm working on level 2's basic setup. And then I was going to experiment with... Yeah, man. Totally chilling. I got a lot done since you've seen it, I think. I'm not sure. What's up, Bow Bow? Hello. Right now, I'm working on the first real enemy. Which I'll come back to this. Then I want to show you where we're at, what we've got done. Let's see. Oh, cool. Nice, man. So you, this morning... I added to the UI, and I think it's working decent. Fixed a few things. So now whenever you pick up a component, it actually gives you a feedback visually. What? Do you want to go outside? It's freezing cold out there. My dog is now bugging the crap out of me. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm starting to figure out the UI part. It was a little weird with the text mesh sprites or whatever, but... Alrighty. Let's see here. What? I'll be right back. He is being obnoxious. Okay. All right. Sorry about that. Yeah, dude. So slowly getting her done. Let's see. I'm kind of digging it. And now I've got money in the game. Yo, what up, Cloutos? How you at? How you been? Hey, I was looking at possibly experimenting with some foreground and background assets today, if you're down. All right, so when you get this guy, pop, there it is in the bottom right-hand side now. First try, first try. Thanks for lurking, by the way, Feeble. Word, word. And as soon as I get through the level, which I have a little shortcut, but see that it now picks up. They all do it, and then they're persistent as well, so you can new games plus it. And it's kind of giving me opportunity. Yeah, I'll probably be done a little earlier. I gotta take Eviel to the eye doctor today, so I'll probably be off here at about 2. That's why I started earlier. And there's the grappler. We got new graphics for the grappler. I like it. Hey, Cloudtoes, can you check in the Discord and get with Jason? Jason's gonna be like basically asset management on all of this stuff. And he's got this story. Rad. If you could just check in the Smacktown thing where I tagged you. Sweet. Why do I have null reference? That's old? No, it's not old. What are we getting here? What am I not referencing? Teleport back. Why is that not referencing? Oh, because I know why. Let's see. That's going to be in scenes. Test level. Hover text can is teleport back. And this is going to be that one. And that one can go away. No, I don't want to do that. I want them to just go away. So we'll unpack you. Because we know you don't need to be there. Save that. Oh, gotta let the dog in. Later, brother. I'll be right back. Sorry about that. Okay. So that should be fine now. Let's just make sure that we're good. Is this the right level? Yep. Shouldn't get any more of those. Perfect. So, yeah. And another thing I did was I had some major problems with like dependencies on items that would be destroyed. So, like a noob, I had not coded those to have a check for null. So I went and did all that. So now if you have an item, it will not show it. It won't show you any text to it. It doesn't matter what level you're on. But if you do have the item, or you don't have the item, it will show it. So, and now it doesn't break the game whenever you do have one or don't have one. So you can basically start testing any level. So starting to get the code worked down from spaghetti into a manageable state. Still got a bit to go there. But now you can see I've got all the items and you can see them down the bottom there. So I got to start thinking of what do you call it? Sub items that you can buy with the cash, the scrap. And like one of them is going to be another piece of armor that gives you one more health point, which I've got to do the health system. The battery will probably be something you can purchase. And then you're going to be able to repair a few characters, and then you'll be able to use them in the game. So quite a few things coming. It's going to be fun. But yeah, so now that I'm back on the first level with all the cool stuff, I was thinking about putting some hidden shit up here somewhere that you can't get to whenever you first start, and then also in the last room. Let's see here. So So I was thinking about continuing this out a little further instead of just getting the money there, actually making all that go into a new zone. But you can get there in the first one, and it might actually wrap around to where you can finish the level without having to go back. That's what I'm thinking about doing. So, and there you go. And then maybe put something hidden up here somewhere. That way it encourages replay. All right. So back to level 2. And let's just see. Okay, so this guy's gonna move right off the bat. Now he's his collider. Let's do a trigger. So we say box collider is a trigger. And that way he should act normal now. Yeah, okay, so now if his trigger sees it, he stops. Then he'll turn around, and then when he turns around, everything flips. So let's go back in here. So if stop, will say if trigger, so on box collider. So on trigger, enter. So yep, on trigger. Trigger, enter. Stop equals true. That's the first thing we need to happen. Let's just see if that happens. So, and if it's not, how can I do it? Occlude player collision. See, let's see other. Let's see other. There we go. Okay, so if other is not player, that's how we'll do it. If other is not equal to, and it'll be other dot game object dot tag. It's not equal to player. Then we'll say stop equals true. Okay. No. That's not what I'm looking for. I need to cast off of it and see if it's connecting to the ground. That's what I'm going to do. That's not, I'm doing this all wrong. So let's see. How do I want to do that part? It's going to be, if collider is not on trigger exit. That's what we want. On trigger exit 2D. Stop equals true. Yeah, let's try that. Let's just see if that even works. So, Feeble, what you been up to, man? Perfect. You been doing any other little games? Did you make that little platformer game that does the? Is that playable yet? Check your itch. Did you add some new weapons to sewers? Yep, no, you haven't put anything else up. So he stops. So whenever you're playing, if you don't have the mover boot, the grappler, you cannot get over him. Oh, he's too big. So you can get over him. Let's see. Let's try that again. So we need to make him bigger. Else we'll say move, and okay, so now we need to start giving him a direction. Okay, so we'll say what's the direction. So we'll have a direction which will be a integer. So we'll say int direction, and the direction we'll say is the direction he's flipped. Okay, so how do we say if it's -1? We'll say direction equals -1 if currently his direction is correct. So it's actually 1. So direction 1. He'll just move the other direction. So if no, okay, so we'll say if there is no collision, so on trigger exit stop equals true, we could actually say direction equals +1 and equals 1. And if I ever wanted to flip him, we can have a flip function. So we'll figure that out later. Add force vector 2 dot left speed. We don't need that. Okay, so direction now is going to be, let's say, plus direction, which actually movement will be direction. Okay, movement is direction. Direction plus speed. We'll just call it move. We'll just make a little bar for that, move. And we'll say, boom, copy that is transform plus move. And direction is -1. Okay. If collider, let's just stop, change direction, and then it's going to stop is false. So we'll say stop is equal to false. And we'll swap the directions. So if he's moving the other way, we'll say, okay, the direction will change based on, which I guess we need to make him flippable. Ugh, how am I gonna do that? Okay, so we'll say if flippable. Okay, we'll say flip, public, bool, flip, direction, and we will say, what are we gonna say? We're gonna say public bool flip direction, and if flip direction, so let's do if flip direction equals, we'll do it on the update. So we'll say, okay, if, why did a 0 go in there? Flip direction equals negative direction. Okay. So direction. We don't need this, but we could say if it hits something, flip direction. All right. As equal to true. Equals true. There we go. Okay, so let's just see if it even happens. Play. No, he doesn't. Okay, so oops. Stop it. Alright. So flip direction equals flip direction. If flip direction equals negative direction. Else direction equals direction. Okay, let's see if that works. It probably won't. Nope. Okay. So let's see. Let's take this out. I don't care about that yet. So we want to get this working. So else direction equals direction. No, it should just be else nothing, I guess. So else direction is direction equals negative direction is direction. Yeah, I don't know, dude. Why are you not working? So let's just hard code it for now. If flip direction what am I doing? I didn't even have it do anything. Okay, so think about this, Clint. So speed, it's speed. Speed, if flip direction speed equals negative speed. There we go. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, so boom. Else speed is speed. Else speed. I don't even think I need the else. Let's try it. Well, that's acting weird. Okay, well, I'm gonna let it do that for a minute because it's actually kind of doing what I want. So what we'll say is we'll say stop equals true. Flip direction is equal to true. and then stop equals false. All right, and then now he doesn't have a thing where it's not going to hit it over here. So what we could do is say on collision. So what we'll do is we'll use the collider for this. We'll say on collision, enter 2D, exit. It would be exit, enter 2D. Let's try that. Copy, paste, and let's just see if he does what we're supposed to do. I don't think he will. I have a feeling he's gonna be not doing what he's supposed to do. See, now he can't even go the right direction. Oh, because he's colliding with the ground. Okay, so we need not to have his collider. We need a box collider. So that's his collider. Nope. That's not even what we want either, because we're using that there. We got a polygon collider, rigid body collider. Well, let's do a circle collider. I know I'm doing this all kinds of wrong. Let's try collider. Just see what we get. Let's try a circle. Where's a circle collider? There we go. And we're going to put you, sir, right there. And then we're going to actually move you over a little bit right there. And then it has to collide with the ground. So we'll say, and it's not a collider, it's going to be a trigger. So now if I want to use that one, we can say, we're going to need a circle collider, I'm sure. We'll just make it public. Circle collider 2D, C collider. Alrighty. Now on collision, enter 2D. How can I determine? It was a collider, I believe. Is a trigger. Okay, so it's a trigger. Trigger, enter 2D. And it doesn't like it because we have this trigger. So circle collider. Let's do circle collider 2D. All right, save that. See if that works. Nope. Let's see. So why doesn't it like it? So that's weird. It's not weird, but it's being stupid. Okay. Let's do this. Check for collision on multiple colliders on object. Let's see here. Okay, so it says on collision enter for contact point and contact collision contacts. Var collider name contact.this collider.name. Switch call name. Case rotor do something. Case landing gear. Case body. So case and switch. If other dot get type. I like this. This is good. We're gonna copy this and modify it. Stealing that. Okay, if other. Oh, let's put it in the collider. X Okay, boom, boom. Okay, here we go. So now we can get rid of this. Okay, if other type, we'll say box collider here. I like that. That's nice and easy. Super cheap. X, do stuff. Boom. Else, if circle, do this stuff. Oh, if that works, that would be great. Do anything different there? Okay. They're both triggers. Get type. Okay. I need to remember that one. Come on, buddy. Oh, no. He's cramming it. Okay, so let's check our actual situation here. So we got Dozer. And Dozer does not need to be called sheet 0. Collider. Oh, I didn't put the collider in. There we go. Wait, I don't need to put the collider in because that's not needed. Okay, rigid body I don't think is needed either. Direction I don't think is needed. Yes, direction is needed. Oh wait, yeah, rigid body is needed. Okay, get this out of here, put it down here. All right, so get type box collider, get type circle collider. If other, get type box collider and circle collider. Yes. Did we save it? No, we did not. Let's go back and look at it. Yeah, it should be working. Circle collider, material, nothing, because it's a trigger used by effector. Oh. On trigger, enter. Okay, if other dot get... Let's see if he actually... What's his direction? So he's starting off going backwards. So let's just... Do I have flip directions? Nope, it's not on far. So let's just start by... The direction should start as 1 equals 0.01 F. Move direction up plus speed. I don't need the speed. That's what it is. I don't need direction. Okay, so there we go. We don't need that. Speed. Okay, so his speed is making him go to the right. So we hit play. He should go to the right. Okay, perfect. So we say negative 0.01, and let's see if he still stops. If he doesn't stop, then that whole situation, no worky. He does stop. Okay, so the box collider is working. The circle collider is not. Thinking. I'm thinking here. Let's just take the else out and see if that works. Let's try that. Do I need to put in the level component? Let's try that. Nope, that didn't do anything. Why you no worky? I mean, I'm pretty sure we're getting contacts. Scene. Let's see what we're looking at here. Flip direction. Oh no. No contacts. Oh, it's only contacts if you do a collider. So the trigger, not working, but we're so close. We're so close. If other type trigger or circle collider, which we do, I just, again, just to make sure we are using a circle collider. What if we took it off of his circle collider? No, because he's on the ground with the other collider. Golly. Circle collider equals type of stop flip direction equals true. So, I mean, it's attached to him. It's a collider and it's set to trigger. Let's just try if it collides. All right. On collision, we want to do collision. Enter. Boom. Do these things. Other. These are the types of things that frustrate me. It's like, why is that not working? Whoa. Dozer is dumb. Oh, I didn't set his thing as a collider. There we go. Play. Why are you not switching directions? The weirdness is happening. Okay. Nope. It will not do it. What is going on? Multiple colliders, one game object. I don't know why this isn't working. That's exactly what I'm doing. What everything is saying to do. Circle collider set to trigger. Collision 2D. Nope, we want this as a trigger, which on trigger enter. If other dot get type, right? Circle collider. Let's say not stop. And let's tell it to not stop on this too. I want to see what happens here. I want to see if it'll flip its own direction correctly. I don't want it to stop. Alrighty. See, it doesn't do this right. Okay, so if flip direction speed is negative speed. So speed, it's updating. It shouldn't do it. So I don't need that. Okay. Oh, wait. Yeah, let's just do boom plus speed. Okay. Let's see if that fixed it. I doubt it. I'm just having one of those days. Hey, it did fix it. But it doesn't. Okay, so if we make the speed Okay, so it does. Okay, why didn't it go the other way? What's happening there? Flip direct. Oh, it's flipping it all the time. Okay, so if flip direction, that constantly flipping it. So if flip direction that, then we need to tell it flip direction is equal to false. Okay. Save that. Okay, cool. So he did that. I meant to press this. Okay, so he does it. Boom. He's like, okay, I'm out of here. You get off here. Now, let's just say instead of to the back, he just flips. Everything flips around. So Dozer. Now, if we flip him, uh, we also have to flip. I'm getting rid of this. Let's just move this. Remove component. Get this. Take it away. And we'll save that. I go back. Okay, so now what will happen is instead of him changing direction, so flip direction, we'll just extract this because it is becoming a thing. What happened? Extract it. Yes, and we're going to call it flip direction. Okay, now flip direction. We're going to say if flip direction, and what will change flip direction will be if that flip direction is true. So if that is that flip direction is false. So we also want to change the sprite. So we need the sprite. We'll say, I don't think I want to do it this way. We're going to do it like that. Say sprite renderer. Laziness right here. Sprite renderer. Rend. Oh my goodness. Okay, so rend. Now we're going to say in start. Actually, we'll use awake. We'll say RB is equal to get component rigid body 2D. And then we're going to say rend is equal to get component sprite renderer. And that will be that. Down here, we're going to say flip direction is equal false. So we're going to say flip direction speed is equal to Let's just create a little brayoket. Why can I not do this? There we go. So we say, okay, speed that. And then we're going to say rend dot flip x. Oh my gosh. Okay, rend dot flip x. What do you not like about that? Rend. What? Only assignment, call, increment, decrement. Oh, wait. Okay, flip x is true because it's a bool. That's right. Okay, and anything else need to be flipped? Okay, so it says speed flips, rendex flips, and then that doesn't flip. I don't think that flips the collider. So the box collider, which is at x 0. Okay, no. 0.1. Okay. 0.2. There we go. Now it is offset by negative 0.2. Nope, let's use negative 3.3. And its y is negative 0.2. No, I said negative 0.2. There we go. No, negative 0.3. No, negative 0.25. There we go. Okay, so negative 0.25. That's good. So negative 3. All right, so it's offset. So we can also say we need the box collider. Box collider 2D collider. We'll actually call this the ledge collider. There we go. And then the ledge collider, if flip direction ledge collider is equal to 3, else negative 3. Why can I not hit my buttons? All right, ledge collider dot position transform dot position dot x is equal to 0.03. Was that it? 0.3. Okay, is equal to 0.3f. Do you like it? No, because it's not transform position, it's offset. That's what it is. Offset. Nope, don't like that one either, huh? Dot offset is equal to, I guess, how do I know if it's X or not? What does it want? It's going to want a vector. Okay. New vector 2, where it's going to be negative, or sorry, if direction flip is negative 0.3 F and negative 0.25 F. Else speed is equal to speed rend dot flip x is false, and ledge collider dot offset is equal to new vector, and that new vector will be 0.3f negative 0.25f. Okay, save that. I don't think that's... no, that's probably redundant. Yeah. Save that. All right, let's try it. Let's see what happens. Oh, what did I not? That ledge collider? Yeah. Okay, ledge collider is equal to get component box. Oops. Collider 2D. And that should save. All right, let's try it again. So he is now flipped around. Okay, so I got that backwards. So this would be negative 3f. Okay, but that's kind of a good news, I think. We'll see. Okay, but he didn't flip. Okay, something weird happened there. So his speed So we see flip direction. I don't even think we need this. We can just put this. Let's actually take this and else do this and flip false, ledge collider offset. Let's see, do that. And I feel like I can just put this in here, save some code, because we don't need all that junk. All right. Maybe that'll work. Hopefully it'll work. Maybe it'll be cleaner and it'll like it better. Okay, we push Roboy off. It doesn't like it. So we will put it all back. Why am I doing this? So if flip direction, do this. Speed, that. I didn't even try this, so let's see if that works. And obviously he's gonna have to be bigger now. So he still does weird shit. So right here, if other type box collider flip direction is true, and really we only have one collider, so let's take this off, or one trigger. I mean, let's just whittle it down because it was working somewhat decent. And I don't know why the sprite's not flipping. It's kind of weird. I think it's flipping it multiple times. What is it doing? Okay. All right, let's see here. If flip direction, speed is that, it should only go through this list once and then say flip direction is equal to false to reset it. Oh, you know what? We shouldn't say this until it exits or enters. Yeah, that's what we should do. We should do that. Boom. There. That's what we'll try. We'll try that. I don't think that's needed. Let's try her again. Okay, so okay, when it goes, it's fine as long as it's on there. We flip the direction. So now he's constantly flipping directions. Or his speed is flipping. The only time that's happening is here. So let's just put a debug.log. See what the hell is going on here. Blah. Okay, save that. So yeah, it's just constantly. What is it doing? Okay. Let's put it further out. So we slide it offset. Oh, we can't do that, but we can do that. 0.3. Let's try that. Oh, but you know what? Then it's going to go further off. Yeah, that's okay. So no, we're going to have to make it X4. Let's do that. Let's do X4. Okay. So back here, we'll say 4, X.4. Try that. Just need him to chill out. Okay, so he turns around and then he stays stuck on turning around. Let me look at that with the collider in view. So his collider's in the right spot, but his speed is flipping. Okay, so why is his speed flipping? Okay, so we've got this speed. Okay. Plus speed. And it's doing this part a lot. So if flip direction, as soon as it does, oh, am I not saying, but I'm not. Okay, so we'll say here, we'll just put this here. Let's see, flip direction is false. Let's try it. That's what I think I'm full circle now. I'm pretty sure I'm full circle. I love it when that happens. Okay, well, at least let's see what he does in the game, in the scene window. Oh, he pushes him off. And his collider is staying true. He's just now flipping too many times. So now it's not just that. So he flips, ledge collider offset, else this, then flip direction is false. And then on trigger exit, it's only on exit, and trigger enter, flip direction is false. Let's take this out. I don't think that seems to be a waste of. This is, oh, should be done with this guy already. Well, at least somewhat done. He pushes you off. He's like, get out of here. But then dude, his sprite is not. Why is it doing? Let's try fixed update. Let's see if fixed update will help our problem here. Since we're not dealing with movement, not any velocity. Okay, where's our speed? Okay, speed, let's do -0.1. Let's try that. What is happening? I wish I could stop and just step through each little thing to see what's going on. I know you can, I just don't know how to do it. So he hits him and then he spazzes out. Let's think about it while we're looking at the code. So he has... The problem is there in the flip. Because we see a whole bunch of debug log blah. So rend flip true, ledge collider offset true. Let's just have him flip direction as soon as he hits the thing. Let's have all of these things happen, and then it's false. We're going to copy that. Boom. And then flip direction is false. Equal to false. Let's see if any of that works. And then now his movement is going to be based on... Okay, so our transform position, new vector 2 transform position plus speed transform position y. If stop, we don't want stop. He will always be moving. Let's get rid of stop. Okay. What? Oh. Okay, so there we go. All right, and let's give her a run. That was hilarious. Everything I try to do It didn't change his move. Speed equals negative speed. Let's use times. That might be our problem. Okay, and I have a feeling it's going to be way faster than we expect, but we'll see. Yeah, so let's do 0.01. Let's try that. Oh, goodness. Why is this being such a pain in my butt? Why is this being a pain in my butt? All right. You're way too slow. Negative 0.1. And he keeps going. He just backs on up. Okay, so the speed does not. That's why I think I have to have it in the update, is because speed has to remain. This is so pissing me off. I don't want a fixed update. I want that. We're going to say if that, this, that, and the other. Let's try that. Let's just see if that works. I mean, it's like instant on off. Nope. So it's got to be flip direction until... It can't be on this. It has to be on a timer or something. I mean, this is starting to piss me off because... It should only flip direction. Maybe it should be static. Speed should be static. Let's try that. I doubt that's going to fix anything. Nope. Of course it won't. Completely breaks it. Okay, brain. Why? Why are you having trouble with this? What time is it? 10:38. Think, Clint. Think. So we'll flip whenever the trigger exits. So it's flipped. I got it. So we'll say on trigger stay. Flip direction is false. Now, when it exits that, it'll flip. It's probably going to do the same thing. What? Oh, man. So maybe that other thing did work. Well, now. Now he's way faster. No fucks were given on that day. Flip direction. Flip direction. It did it. No, it didn't. Flip direction. Did I save it? Oh, no, because it's got to be on exit. It just doesn't like anything I'm sending its way. Flip direction is true. Okay, so we know that flip direction is true. It flips the direction. And as soon as it flips the direction, we don't want it to be false. Oh, dude. Because it's got to be booled. And now it'll turn around. And then on a collision with the ground, if I'd, while my ground wasn't, walls are ground too, they're all layered as ground, so I cannot use that. I don't know how to do that. I'm gonna have to do research. So maybe this will actually get it to do the edge. Now I'm thinking ahead of myself. I'm thinking about the other side. I'm not thinking about this side because I just thought in my brain this is probably gonna work, but most likely it will not. Oh, he switches and continually switches until... Okay, so he switches. Now, if on collision, on trigger enter, let's just see if flip direction is equal to false. Maybe this was the problem here. I think I already tried this. I don't remember. At this point, I've gone around in circles a few times, so. Please work. Kind of. It did it, and then it... But why are you flipping? You are triggered. Why is the speed flipping? The flip direction is on. The flip direction, it's gonna just keep doing it. Damn it. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make directions called left and right. Var left is equal to -1 or negative speed. Var right is equal to speed. Speed equals. All right, this is the same thing. I'm getting over it. I'm about to be over it. This is pissing me off. Speed is equal to left, is equal to negative the speed. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. It's just speed. We're going to initialize this so it doesn't do any down. No. Okay. And now, if we... Dude, why can I not think of this correctly? Okay, speed. I'm losing it. I'm losing it. My brain is starting to get flustered. I'm about to take a break. I can't even think correctly. Why can't I make the motherfucker turn around? You should just go the other way. If direction is flipped, your direction... Speed is equal to right. Sorry. No, it's not. It's not equal to right. It's negative freaking speed because that way, whichever way he's facing. I guess we need to make him facing a direction. So we can say he has left and he has right. And that is... That's what I'm writing, though. Damn it. It's a flip direction function. So if he... I don't even care about this. I know it's reading it. Stupid. This... Ugh. Okay. Think, Clint. Think. I know I can do this. Alright. If he hits the freaking collider, flip direction is equal to true. Only if the collider is exited, trigger exits, which we know that happens. But as soon as it flips it back around, it is true again. It is on trigger enter. Let's make this stay. That should be it. Ledge collider offset, yes. Rend flip X, yes. I mean, I'm pretty, like, why is it doing this one only over and over again, and it's not doing the other one over? That's the part I don't understand. But it works, it's doing it now. So with speed, because it's flipping them both back and forth indefinitely. God, how do I stop this? Okay, so I want it to do it one time. Should be static bool. No. Facing left is true. So if we have a facing left is true. So if facing left, speed is left. Speed is equal. That's, I mean, it's the same. It's going to do the same thing. My logic is wrong because it's flipping over and over again. I want it to flip once. Okay, Unity. How to call a function only once. If time was blah, blah, function find double rockets, get component gun script. If gun script reduce equals false, gun script initial speed, gun script reduce equals true. And that's basically what I'm doing. I've done that. Flip direction is equal to false. Right after it happens. Okay, so if flip direction that, flip direction is equal to true, else flip direction is equal to true. Just do all this here, and just to go full-blown into it. I'm pretty sure I did this earlier. Save. I'll leave those there. Please watch it work. If it does, I'm quit. No, of course it doesn't work. And it doesn't work because yeah, it's about to be over. I'm about to be done. I can't handle much more of this. Oh my god. Being stupid. Hey, Feeble, you still with me, bro? I am stuck like a duck, and I cannot figure out how to do this. That's probably not what I need. Okay. He goes backwards, but he doesn't flip anything else. The speed changes. Oh, because I don't send it back here. So, flip direction is false. Is that what's killing me? It was simple. Please, that be it. Okay, boom. Nope, of course not. Oh, you know what I didn't do is the speed. Wait, no, it did it right there. Else speed is true. What the fuck, dude? What the fuck? So this works. Ah, so confusing, dude. I don't even know why. Why? Oh, and now it's gonna do it all geekily. Like, yeah, dude. I can't. If you can't replicate the results of what you had before, what's up? I mean, what is up with this? Well, ago he just backed up, just like that. Okay, so wait a second. And now he glitches out. What? I don't understand that. It doesn't do the same thing every time. It's random in nature. I don't. Okay, fixed update gonna fix that? Will fixed update fix this problem? No, it's gonna be a pain in my butt. No, of course it won't. Everything's just random on this. I think it's Unity. I'm starting to believe that Unity has some major problems. I mean, I'm sure there's probably some stupid way you got to do it, but to me, it seems like that's the right way. Let's turn the flip. Let's just, I mean, this should not, let's just, in theory, sometimes he should glitch out and sometimes he should turn around and act proper at that corner. I think this is annoying. I'm very, but no, he doesn't. He doesn't do exactly what he does here. So if we go undo, and this is where we were, we don't want that. Okay, so occasionally he'll do what he's supposed to on the corner. I'm sick of my phone going off. It is, but every time I start, my phone doesn't even give me a thing until it's always different. It is always different. I don't understand your logic, sir. I think, yeah, I think I'm going to have to call it a break for the weekend because at this point I am sick of getting my ass kicked by Unity. It's like it tries to, and then only some of it works. Like, speed is equal to negative speed. Okay, rend flip X is true. But it does it so many times. And then here's our, telling it to be false again. Oh, dude. Fucking thing about is getting an enemy controller. Pissing me off, dude. That's all it is. It's pissing me off. Public. We're just gonna tell it to fucking stop. Bull. Stop. You're an idiot. I'm through messing with you. Stop is equal to true. That's all I want now. Not true. True. Jeez. You, sir, are pissing me off. Therefore, you gotta go bye-bye. Okay, just stop at the edge so I can finish the damn level. That's all I care about. Just stop. Of course you won't. Because I forgot. Oh, dude, you know what? I'm going all the way back. I deleted stop because I'm Dorcas. There we go. Okay. Peace, boy. I don't even care. Bye. Ledge collider. Yes, we do have that. Do we actually need it? Nope. Bye. Renderer. Nope. I don't care anymore. Ledge collider, renderer, RB. We do need that. Save you. Just stop. That's all. Stop. Oh my god. I'm just using that. Oops. All the way back. We don't want any of that. I think that was it. Oh, dude. Negative 0.05. Negative 0.01. Why are you going backwards? Because this is when I was doing dumb shit. Okay. So we're going to say plus. And direction not mattering here. Stop is equal to true. Save, play. Oh. That's his job. That's what you're reduced to, bro. That's it. And unfortunately, I gotta make you taller now too. Which means we gotta bring you up a little bit. So we make sure you don't fall through floors. Okay, let's see if we can get over him. Not very happy about all this. I'm stronger than him. I don't want his RB. I don't want that. No rigid body. He cannot be forced around. That's no good. Okay, let's do this. And RB, transform position. Let's do that. Okay, save, start. Yeah, perfect. He's going to keep me from going. Why did he go the other direction? What is happening there? Oh, remove component. Let's try that. Now I shouldn't have any. So you have to have an RB. Everything is just like, fuck you. What? Okay. I think kinematic is what I want. Let me make sure. Why? I'm about to just say screw this and make it not even an active object in the game. Why can I push it around? I don't want that. Mass 1,000. Now, how much speed am I going to have to give it? None? Okay. There we go. I can still push it around. 10,000. 100,000. Stop letting me push you around. There we go. Okay, so now let's try. What am I caught on here? Ah, of course, distracted as I get pushed off the ledge. I cannot get up it, but I can stop. I can get up him. Okay, so we don't want... That's where he gets up. Okay, so let's look at our collider here. I'm okay with all that. Maybe we just make this taller. Sorry, Roboy. We're gonna spam you there. You're not allowed to get over him. Actually, let's just make it a little higher. Let's do that. Let's see if that works. Perfect. But I can still stop him. He's stopping whenever the trigger exit. So he doesn't... I guess the rigid body is keeping him from pushing me. I just think his strength should be better than that. Let's see. It's when I jump. Is it on an exit? I don't think it's on an exit. Yes, it is on an exit. That's the problem. Okay, so we need to avoid... Let's see. If it's the player return... If other dot game object dot tag is equal to what player return. Oh my gosh, I can never hit that button or that key. All right. 11 o'clock. There we go. Okay, fix that. Can't get around him. But you'll be able to go somewhere else. Okay, so now that he's there, we're going to put prize right there. Where's prize? There you are. Prize, come to me. We're going to put you right on top here so people can see you. Let's see how that works. Oh no, I can't get to her. I can't jump there either. Maybe we should make him be a ground object. Let's see if that works. But if he is, I can jump up the walls if I have the grappler. I'm stuck here now. There we go. Okay, well, maybe what we do is we say, okay, we're going to let it go to there. Let's see what we get. Okay, so it pushes you to there. You got to go the other way. That's what we'll do. Okay, so let's see. Can you see her? You get up there. You go, oh no, there she is. And you can barely see her. Okay, so that's good. So what happens? Well, the first thing that's going to happen... Get rid of that. Let's look at what we're dealing with here. I also want that to be a normal edge because that's where we're going to come back to. And we'll make this there we go. All right, there we go. We will put her here. Test out our situation. Why is that there? We don't want that there. Yeah, we'll put that there for now because we're going to use it to test play. Oops. Oh yeah, it's got to have that upward. Let's we'll put a little ledge here. So let me see where I get to. Think about that for a second. Okay, so it looked like about right here, I believe. No, let's try there. Oops. Shoot! Didn't put a ramp back up. What's up with you? Okay, good. Perfect. Now he needs to move only if triggered, which means there's another trigger involved. So we can say we can make a circle trigger. And I got to use that if type. So let's see. If, what was it? Collider. What was it? Oh, it's right here. Cool. Still have it. If collision dot collider. So if other dot collider dot get type is equal to circle. Let's see what we got here. So if we go to him, he's got a polygon in a box. So what we can add to him is a, let's try a capsule collider. Oh, because it's a 3D thing. Is that what you want? Okay. Oh, yeah, I should have done the 2D. All right, where's this capsule collider at? What the hell? There we go. Okay, Shaw. Why? That's very strange. Oh, it has to be that way, huh? Okay. So we'll do... We'll do something like that. So he'll see it. Okay, so now capsule collider. So if the other type is a capsule collider 2D, and the way it does that is type of. Okay, so type of. Okie doke. If that. If other dot collider. Okay. Get type of collider, then say return. Let's see if that works. Yes. Okay. So if other type of get collider circle collider, then we'll say move. We'll say move. And move. Man, come on now. If I want to type move, you let me type move. Okay, so now move will be up here. Move. Oops. Void. Move. Dude. Why? Why are you making this a pain in my back? Private void. I put void in a while ago. Ah, I'm telling you, VS Studio, you piss me off sometimes. And then move will be this guy. Actually, I should have just extracted this. Move dozer. No, we don't want that. We want that. So hit enter. Boom, there's move dozer. Get this out of here. Move dozer. No, it would be triggered. There we go, triggered. Because triggered is equal to true, because we need a bool called triggered. And that way we can say if triggered. Okay, then we'll say boom. Grab all this shit. Put it in there. And then we'll say triggered is true. If other, so we'll say triggered is equal to false. I think it defaults that way. So triggered, it defaults false. Okay, so if other, I get that triggered is true. If capsule collider is hit, triggered is true. If triggered, move dozer. Let's see if that works. Oops. Oh, because it's not a trigger. I need to. It's a trigger. Oh, no. Take this. This is the problem we're having. We say on trigger enter. Boom. There we go. Save. Other. That's what I think we wanted. Give that a shot. Quit it. I'm on stream, guys. No, he says no, and I can still get up him. How am I doing that? Let's actually say trigger it as public. Let's just see if it works. Say hit play. Okay, so it worked. Because if on trigger entered 2D, if the other... Capsule Collider. Can I not just do this? Does that not work? I don't know why that doesn't work. That should, I mean, shouldn't that work? Why are you not getting triggered, bro? Okay, yeah, that's not gonna work. So we need, can I get one more out of that? Let's put him back down to 6. And then we're gonna select, move that down 1. Let's see, boom. Okay, and then boom, select, move down 1. Boom. Oh my goodness. Maybe do something like this for now. Bowser, I'm not letting you out again, dude. No, not happening. Okay, so now we just need the player to trigger him, which is not liking. It's not liking the player tag, I think. Come on, dude. Why? I'm gonna change it. Okay, so we're gonna go to our capsule collider. No, not you. Dozer capsule collider. Where are you at? Okay. Punk. Size tiny. And you're now gonna go right there. And now, if dude gets on you, oh, jeez. That way, if dude touches you at all, then you will do your thing. Hopefully that doesn't break anything. Oh, did I change it to a... No, I did not. Okay, so it's trigger. Okay. Is collider. Collision enter 2D. Collision enter 2D. Is that the right one? I don't know. Why is it yellow? Collision. I guess it wants to be yellow. If other... Oh, you know what? Hold on, I think I had this wrong. So if other is the player, not that. All right. And it be triggered by the player. But no, it wasn't triggering it. If other. I said if other. If get type equal. That's what it is. Let's try that. I think that might have fixed it. We'll see. I don't know. I don't know enough to be able to tell because noob. I'm a noob. Nope. Okay, because it's not a trigger now, because that's just how my brain operates. Okay. Nope. Okay. Collider. If other dot game object dot tag is equal to player. I swear to God. Excuse me. Okay, let's try it. I don't know what's up with that. Well, you don't like the way I spell it, or what? I don't understand why it does that to me. All right. What the fuck? Okay. What is it? I mean, I'll let you make it. On collision, enter 2D. You fucking... I swear to God, dude. Look. What the fuck? Does that work? Oh, you want me to use your stupid shit? Is that... That's what we'll do. I hate doing shit 3 times in a row. Oh. What? Where? What the fuck is going on here? The fuck do you want from me, dude? Does that work? Dude. It's been one of those days, dude. For real. I'm like... about to just punch my fucking computer screen. What the hell? 38.6. But you want to... You don't think... Oh, why did I delete it? How the fuck did that happen? All right. Collision. All right. Save. Alrighty. And again, it's not going to work, so it doesn't matter. All this hard work. What's going to happen is I'm going to stress out all day over it, and I'm going to get pissed off. Hey, it worked. Well, you know I did shit right. Okay. Fine. Oh. It's just, get so mad. Get so mad. Let's do it like that. Okay, so there we go. Let's have this actually start even with the other one. So it looks like a cave. Not totally sure how I want this to happen, but I know I want to come up and around to get to her. And you can't do that until you get the grappler. And the grappler... Thinking here. Thinking. Because it was supposed to be you had to get the grappler to climb up him, which makes me want to make him bigger. For now, he just pushes you out there. Curious. I'm gonna delete all this. I think for now, I'm going to put her, where is that? Put her standing up here. Okay. He will actually start further back here. And let's try 8. 8. Let's actually make him a little taller. Yeah, like that, maybe? No. Hey, let Bowser back in. So that way you can't climb him, but you will be able to once you get the grappler, which is going to be the special item of this course. Yes. He's like, nope, not today, buddy. And I think what I'm going to have to do is adjust his polygon collider to not be so obnoxious. Now that he's a little bigger, I just need to make sure we cannot jump over him. Oh, that was that text trigger. Where are you at? We're going to put you... What is their deal? What are they freaking yelling at? Okay. This is like my zone for all of the... What is that, my grappler? Yeah, we're going to need the grappler. And just to... We're going to give you the grappler right here and to see if... I just need to make sure that you can use the grappler to jump over. I'm pretty sure you will be able to. Got the grappler. There we go. Boom. All right. Perfect. Okay. Now we can get to some level design. But before we do, give me just a minute. I'll be right back. Alrighty. I'm back. What is this telling me? I think it's fake news. Alright. So from here, we can get up there if we have the grappler. So we don't want to give them the grappler right there. We want to make them have to get the grappler. Which would, maybe that'd be cool to have it right there. I don't know. We'll see. So, quick. See if he can jump too. So I think there. Need to bring my spawn point over. Have him start there. And I think that's probably too close. Whoops. Oh yeah, I need the mover. Need to have that. So he pushes you back. Can't get up. What? No! Then from there, so I can go up another 2, I think. Excuse me. Try that. Oh, I need to get the mover over there. No! Put it even further so we can all the way to the edge of that. But you can't get there without being on his let's see, on his shovel thing. What's happening here? Select. There we go. M for move. I think there. Should not be able to get there. I can though. Let's see. Okay, if I'm up here, probably get one more over there. Yeah, it looks like I can make one more. So, all right, we'll take this. Select that. Okay, can't make it. Go over here. Get on this, and you can make it. Okay, cool. There we go. So we know that this is current ledge. Now, where do we go from here? All right, let's see. So we want to go this way. We'll run up, and then we'll go. We'll make him do a platforming thing up here to here. So, okay. Put in the black for just basic reference. Something like that. Let's see how that looks. Don't think you'll be able to see any of that. Oops. Yeah, you kind of see it. Okay, and then this one, we can just do all this. We'll do, let's see. So you come up here. We'll make a ramp. Immediately shoot you up into the air. Something cool and fun like that. And then here. Oh, I still got box on. So we shoot probably somewhere in this range. Let's try that. I think our stuff's still over there. Yeah, we'll move the spawn. Okay, one down. So select, move, boom, and let's go ahead and move our spawn. Boom. Excuse me. Wow. Oh, wow. That was... You can get way up there. Okay, cool. And for now, we'll just BG sprite renderer so we can actually see. Okay, so we got the monies. Oh, that looks very strange. The money particle system size. Where you at? Size, emission, shape. What's going on here? 0. Save that. And let's send that across the spectrum. All right. Okay, boom, we can make another jump. We'll put some danger down here, I think. Give them spikes or something here. So we'll say, select that. Oh yeah, we can't do that. We're gonna have to go, boom. We want it to maybe get a little... And then we'll try something like 4, 5. Let's do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right there. 3, 4, 5. Boom. Let's try that out. Oops. A little too quick, so we need to move it all. Let's see, select M, move 1, select M, move 2, select M, move 3. Let's try that. That might not make it, I don't think. Okay. So what we can do is if they go do. No, I think I want them to run off. Yeah, there we go. That's pretty cool. That seems kind of fun. Then we'll go from here. Actually, I feel like I might want to get rid of that. Let's try that last one real quick. That's going to be difficult, and I like putting that money there because it's kind of like, all right, cool. And then in here, what we can do, maybe have it do something cool like, let's see, we'll do D. See if we can make it like shoot them up the wall, maybe. I want to see if that even worked. Just like a little loop. See if it even does what I want it to do. It probably will not, but we'll see. It's interesting. Okay. So probably like right here, maybe. So let's see if we can get it to right there. Let's see what happens. Oops. Yeah. Let's see. So we go, yeah. Let's actually take this part. Oops. There, like that. And oops. There we go. Give them a little bit more room. Perfect. All right, I think it's too long. Do like that. I have a feeling this is starting to get more challenging. So we get a run. Let's actually give them a little bit of a run. And then a big gap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see if we can catch that. Put R. Let's just see how it vibes through there. That was not hard at all. How far did I make that? Dude, way farther. Okay. So select M. Let's try that. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Okay, one more of those. So how much was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He can jump 10 spaces. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more. Yeah. All right, cool. So this one will have also shoot him around. So, and do one that's a little bit bigger. Let's see how that works. And that, and we'll probably put, let's see if we can get all the way out there. Oh, don't. Oh. Oh, tricky. No, it's got to be quicker. All right, so do this guy here. See how that works. And we'll just bring our excuse me. Let's check this other one again. Okay, that worked because it has like 2, I think. Dang it. Might make a little pattern recognition game out of some of these levels. Oh, I hit that. Might need to adjust that jump. Why is it not giving me as much? Maybe I'm not coming into it off a jump. Weird. Okay, well, then what we'll do is we'll just add a platform there. So we'll say this guy. Let's see that. No. So how did this one work? We jump up, we hit it, we fly over. It's 2, goes up. Gonna bring you back a little bit. Let's do like right there. Just give you a little bit more speed. I don't know how that worked over there, but it didn't over here. Oh, it would. Okay, so we just need to lower some stuff, I think. Let's look at the actual... We've got 4 squares, 3 squares of space. And over here we got 5. Okay, so... But we got 3 there. Oops, wrong button. Let's do select. Move you here. Let's go check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another difficult one. We can get rid of this. All right, and let's give it a run. I think it's the landing sooner. Let's see. I don't know why that's different. Okay. Seriously, come on. See how well that one did? It is difficult. Might be too hard for right now, I think. There we go. There he is, so you could... Totally different. Alright, well, I guess what we're going to do is move this guy back 1. And, yeah, we'll add another there. And this guy there. We could have hit a piston there. I think that's the way to do it. So it likes that. You see? Ah, what? Yeah, you jump off the corner, you can get up there. Okay, that'll work. That's a nice little trick. Fill these guys in. Temporary. Oh, there's our piston. Let's see. Might put him like right there. We'll figure something out for him. Let's see here. Give it a ramp. Oops, wrong place. Up into the tight spot. Shoot him way over there. Straight into a piston. Which will... Let's see, box. Oops. Hey there, Cold Coat. Gonna head out? Word. All right, man. Thanks for stopping by. Let's see what happens if he hits that. Should fly into the sky. Why did that? Yeah. All right, cool. So there's that. We got stuck here because of that. That's a nice little room. Let's get some spikes in there. Where are the spike groups? I'm gonna take this one. Interesting. Alrighty. Spikes, which one is this? That's that. Did I go the wrong other way? What are these? Where are they at? Ah! There's spike groups everywhere. Oops. Yes. Nope. This one. There we go. Oops. Alrighty then. These are all over the place. Let's just redo this. So we're going to take all of you guys. Bye-bye. What is this? Bye-bye. Okay. Take you and shoot you down here. Duplicate. Duplicate. One more. Duplicate. And at the very end there, one, maybe three. One, two, three. Duplicate. And boom. Yeah. Actually, we should boom. D, go away. Take the last three here, duplicate those. What? Just duplicate those. And we'll duplicate this one. Alrighty then. And there's that. So it's like I'm fine down here on the small one. It's on the big one that I start slapping stuff around all over the place. Like rando. Alright. So I think these guys are actually going to be these. For now. Just something a little different. How we looking? Cool. Get up here. Boom, boom. Actually, I have a feeling we can just take that sucker all the way across. Oops. Word. That looks good. Boom. And the box. Excuse me. And this one will be a corner bottom. First time I've used that one in a while. Let's see. Oops, that's not what that's supposed to be. All right. So we're going to shoot on up to the next part. I think somewhere in that range. Let's see. Yep. And then we'll put a thing that once they pass it, it locks them in here. So they cannot go back. And that will give us the opportunity to put some hidden stuffs in. Like, they could go back, I guess. It doesn't really matter. Wait, let's see if you can even fall down and fall to the right. I bet you can. Yeah, you can. Okay, so you could go back down. Alrighty. Oof. That's tough. That is fun, though. I like it. Okay, so I'll think we'll go with this for here. I don't like those. Oops. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, so what's next? Now we need to figure out how to climb. So you're going to try to climb. You're going to see go up, up, up. How do we do this part? We got to put him back in front of him with the climber. That's what we'll do. So we can't come around back. We'll have to come around the front again. So we'll go down this way and then back into here. So when he comes up, we'll have another... I got an idea. So we'll have another one of these. No. So he comes up here. We'll say... How can you get it? What do you have to do? You have to... Difficult times thinking here. So he has the running. He doesn't have anything else, and he's needing to get the grappler. We have a nice little setup here. He jumps up there. You run to the right. And then it drops you in a pit. You drop into a pit with the grappler, and you have to get out of the pit. And this is also where we can start introducing. Okay, so it shoots him up there. Okay, I think I'm gonna do go up here. We fall into a pit. We get the grappler out. So we'll get the grappler right here. Okay, so let's make a bigger erase here. Okay, so this will take some of that. We got a lot of space we can play with down here. What is that? Okay, so we have a pit, and this pit, if you don't fall into the gap, which would be to the left, I believe. Let's take that side off there. Put a little room in here. So let's see. If you came off into there, you could see this room, but you wouldn't be able to get out of it. And then when you fall back into here. Maybe. And we'll put the grappler in that room. So that's just a quick mock-up, but we'll see how it goes. What's up with that? What is that? Okay, so how do we get up? We gotta jump up. Okay. So what we want to do is move our spawn to here. I should just, you know what? I'm going to actually put the grappler on the spawn. Where is the grappler? Or not the grappler. The component mover booster will be on the spawn point. So it's always right there. So we move the spawn point. Boom. Okay, cool. Alrighty. And then you come down here. Oh, you cannot get in there. So the way to get in there will be just make it bigger. Let's try that. Where's my battery pack? What's up with that? Wait a second. Charge bar. There it is. Where you be at, dude? What? And then it just fell off? Okay, where are you? You're by the rocket. How did that... Why does this keep happening? Player rocket is not in the right spot. Okay. This is not the first time this has happened. Okay. Right there. Okay. Save. And that's disconcerting. Okay, let's try that again. There we go. Ah! And then we're back. Okay. Whoops. So you come over here and we'll have you go somewhere else. I'm liking it. Okay, saving that. What time is it? 12. Okay. Got about an hour left. Don't like how big and open this is, so I like just things that look cool. So let's have them funnel down into a little bitty thing there. What am I looking for here? This guy. See if this makes it easier or harder to get in. And then we'll... Let's see. Nope, I don't want it there. I want it to go straight, but maybe we can have it happen afterwards. Let's see. Do this. Then maybe it does it right there. That way, once you have... might be all right. Oops. Interesting. Alrighty. Actually, I'll make that match. Oops. There we go. Save that. Play. That was a little too easy. You come up here, you see it. Let me see here. I need to stop the game. Okay, let's go ahead and do this side here. So let's just give him something to climb off of. See if that works. Nope. Oh. Need to grab the stuffs. All right. Kind of bland, but I don't know. Maybe we'll figure something else out. Now let's pretty it up a little bit. I wonder if I just make... I wonder if that'll work. I don't think that'll work. It might work. It might give it just enough to... You gotta basically be holding it. Yeah. I don't hate it. Oh, missed it there. What if we made this part? It's a little easy. Let's see if that works. Make it toward you. Yeah. Okay. We'll just leave it like that. What do you not like? Object index 0 is null. Where is this happening? All right. Okie dokes. Psst. Other side. Actually, that needs to be this guy. And this guy. Oops. Box time. Okay. That looks all right, I think. Without the stuffs. I don't like having to do that, so let's take to there. And oops. I don't think we'd be able to get up there, so we can just close that off. Boom. And we'll put a little round edge over there. Make it looking nicer. This one? Yes. Box time. Boom. Okay, so now we got that. Let's give her a run from the beginning. See how long it takes. No, give me my girlfriend. Oh. No. Why am I not? There we go. Okay. Oh. Ah! Perfect. Guess you could go back. But I don't want you to go back, so we'll make a door that says no. You have to do the level. Or maybe it won't let you go back all the way. The pit. I got it. Let's use the teleport better. So this is a pit, and if you miss it, down here, you need to go back. So yeah, there we go. It doesn't go all the way down. That's all that is. Okay, so this doesn't go all the way down. You're in the pit. Let's actually just say you'll die if you fall down it. Is that too bad? That's all right. That's good. We'll put some spikes down there. Oops. Dang it. All right, there we go. Where's our spikes? Are there spikes that are uneven down here? No. Works good enough. All right. Okay, and then we need this stuff. Boom. That way you will die if you miss it. All right, save. Now this brings me to the next thing I need to make, which is the no telepoint zones. So I need to make triggers that are no telepoint zones. And so they basically say, if the player is in here, is able to teleport as no, can teleport as no. Must use the restroom. We'll be back. How will the no teleport zone work? I just had a cool idea. Before we do that, which we will have to do today, I think we should have multiple rooms that come off. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seven, 8. All right. And it goes down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7. Too far. Oops. There we go. And we're actually going to put this guy down here. We'll put down there, and then over here we'll put a dollar. No, we'll be fine. We'll just leave that there for now. You can put other things in there. Okay, so there's that. Okay, so now in this area here, we're gonna have what's called a no spawn set zone. No spawn set zone. Okay. Now the no spawn set zone. Yeah, 0, 0, 0. And it will have a collider that will be set to a trigger. Maybe like that. So we'll just say you can't really set it. You could set it up there because I think you'd probably be able to get out of that if you could set it up there. But for the most part, we're just going to say you can't. Now, another option is we can say if you set a spawn in here, it automatically respawns you back to your player reset. So if player in here, no, let's say if you set spawn in here, spawn point set to start spawn. No, that'd be mean. You just can't set it in there. That's really all it should be. You just cannot. If you press select, it says no. So it says, here we'll say, no spawn set zone. Spawn set zone. And, oh, it does? No spawn. Interesting. Okay, what did I do here? Okay, so I have gate open as true. So really what we should do is change that and have it just say, let's go to the player. Player should have a bool, public bool called can set spawn. So it'll say okay, so there's that. Can set spawn. Alright, so when we go to spawn, we can say if input spawn, if can set spawn, and input set spawn. Okay, so now on the no spawn set zone, we can say if player set spawn, gate open is true. What we can say is we can say player dot can set. Don't have a player? Oh, okay, let's make a player. Player. Yeah. Player controller is called player. We just want this player. Find object of type. Player controller. Okay, player dot can set spawn is equal to false. So if player set spawn true on trigger stay, this not being dumb, we want this down here. Player set spawn false. Okay, so if player set spawn gate is open to true, so on trigger stay, this part will still work if there's a gate, but there is no gate, so it's going to have a problem with that. So let's just get rid of the gate, and what we'll say is the gate, so that means we got to fix the first level. So we'll say okay, so we got that. Player set spawn gate open true. There's our backup right there. We don't need that. We'll just say if player dot set spawn gate open is true. Okay, I think that won't break the first one. Before we test this, let's go check. Does not have a what? Not contain definition for can set spawn. No, that's just can set spawn accepting object type player controller. What was I putting that on there? Oh, I didn't save it. Okay. All right. Let's go see if we broke level 1. First of all, scenes. Yeah, we'll save that. Got about 30 minutes left before I gotta hightail it. So level 1 looking good. Let's... Oh no, I can't set spawn. Oh, you know why? Because I'm not deciding if can set spawn is true or not. So that is here. Okay, I made a player. Okay, so update. Player.can set spawn is false. So we need an exit on trigger. Exit 2D. player dot set spawn. No, that's not what I want. Player dot can set spawn is equal to true. Okay, boom. Save that. Oh, there we go. Okay. So that's that. Now we need to initialize player controller bool can set spawn is equal to true. Save. Okay. So we should be able to spawn. Of course we can't. Player. Okay, so it don't want to do it like that. Okay, so we save that it didn't initialize. What we will do though is we'll say on start player or no can set spawn is equal to true. Save that. Go back. Okay. So we go here. Oh. Set a spawn, go back. Now if we're in here, we cannot set a spawn. Okay, so if we go into the no spawn zone. That's what we want. That's what we want. So if I've just realized that that's what I was going for. So we go up to it and it works here. Now I can set a spawn here and set a spawn there. Okay. Okay, so I don't have this thing set up correctly. Kind of feel like I gotta draw this. Maybe I can make a duplicate. Let's see. So there's that. Oh yeah, we don't need the gate. Okay, there we go. There's no longer need for a few things. We don't need the gate. We don't need the portal yet. Okay, and we can make this look better. Okay, so we got no spawn zone. So let's duplicate this. See, hold on. Let's make this one be pretty much the entire down there. Let's make this one be there. Let's duplicate this one to here. And let's duplicate this last one to here. And we should not be able to spawn in any of these. Let's see. Or set a spawn. Yep, none of that works. I could fix this by saying he has to be grounded to set a spawn, but then you can't do some of the cheats I've done. But I'm okay with that. Ugh, that's interesting. I mean, it's a spawn point, right? Like, it's not on gravity. It's a lot more elegant. It must be grounded to set a spawn point. I don't know. I kind of like the idea of being able to manipulate the system and fly. But being grounded to set a spawn point really makes sense instead of doing all this crap. That would save me throughout the whole game. You know what? That's what's going to happen. We'll delete that. If we go to player controller and we'll say, but no, that can't work because the spikes. We need these anyway. We'll keep it like that. So we need to make a prefab, and that will be in the scenes. No spawn set zone. Okay. All right. Now we can't set a spawn here either, so we'll duplicate this guy. All right. Well, we made that. Let's see if that one works. So we go there. Could have probably just moved my guy over there. But oh well, it's fun to play. So now we shouldn't be able to spawn or set spawn point above the spikes. Nice. Perfect. Perfecto. Okay, I can actually still do that one. Boom, got all the components, boy. Got them all. Let's get that money, too. Oh! Thought I'd make that. Got a little ballsy. No! It's still, you gotta be... Oh, that's not what I meant to do. That's... Oh. The way that I'm gonna stop talking now. Because now I can't get past my own level. There we go. seems to be working just fine. So back to level 2. That's level 1. Now level 2, we're going to need a no spawn set zone. Right there. And perfect. And in theory, we should not have to. I thought I deleted you. Okay. Alrighty. And yeah, I think you could probably make one like right above it if you wanted to be all falutin'. Want to shoot over it and jump. Let's try that. And I'm pretty sure you can make it across. I never actually came back and played this. Oh yeah, I moved all my stuff back. That's all right. I want to give her a run again. Hey, let me have my girl. Let me have my baby. Might help to jump or set a spawn. Clint, what are you thinking? I probably need to have some triggers say, hey, don't forget to set spawn points. I don't know. Maybe that's holding their hand a little too much. Okay. Do my little wobbledy dance. Alrighty. There we go. Boing. I need to make a sound for the piston. Forgot about that. Ah! Ah! Come on. You can do it. I don't know. I kind of like having that thing there where you can see it. It's like, oh, wait, I can go get that. Yeah, and you need it there because if you go there before you go to the other one, I guess I could have set my spawn. I need to start remembering to do that. I think I do like having this here. I think that's not too crazy. And on top of that, let's fix this up. Open. Okay, there we go. Save that. Boom. Hit play. And yeah, I've got about 10 minutes left. So probably not going to get to finish the level today. Can I cannot get back over there without the help of Dotzer. Dotzer's a friend of me. He says, no, you cannot get there. But you can completely overshoot your mark, not set your spawn point, and have to meet me again on the precipice of doom. And this time undershoot your mark. What? Now all of a sudden my guy is like weak, pathetic. There we go. Really? Then I just slowed down again. I think that was me messing with the camera on accident. Seriously now. Give me that. Give me that. Oh, it's so not easy. The game is like, no, dude, no. Come on, why am I having troubles here? That is worth a cannot push it. Perfect. And then they can get stuff there. Maybe something in there. Maybe money. I don't know. So they can get out of it. I think that's the right setting. I like it. Alrighty. Level 2 getting close. Let's see what else can we add. We come down into there. Let's actually make it to where you have to exit over here. I like that idea. The idea of exiting over here right before. And it's not going to be something that you can do without. Let's see if it even is doable. Oh, I didn't move my sponiosis saw. So let's say you got it right here. We're just going to do that. Okay, so we get the thing. Now, we find all the stuff we find. We can go down. Yes. And this will take us, so we don't need any of this. We will just call it what it is. Call it the DMV garbage. All right. None of this is needed. Might. Actually, what if we just put like... No. We'll leave it like that. So, D. Then we'll say you have to then... Oops, no. That's not what I want. Go up over here. Maybe something like that. Okay. Here we go. Actually, you know what? I kind of like the idea of maybe making it angle up like a mine shaft. That might be better. What time is it? Ooh, 5 minutes, I guess, to go. Guess to go. Let's go ahead and do the underside here. Can you get the part I want? Thank you. Thank you, sir. Okay. Into another big area where he has to climb out using the grapple arm. What do I want to do here? We'll make him what you call wall jump out of here. Oops, I'm a sigh. Didn't mean to. This is a no bueno. There. Do that. Cha. Oh, come on now. Cha. Cha. Cha cha cha. Like the cha cha. All right. Boom. Not like it matters because we're probably not going to be able to get up there. I think that's actually the ticket. We need to block all of that off. Boom. Okay, down there. Now there's a way up. You can get over. We might even just leave that in there. Come back around, slide under, and then spit you back out here. So hide the UI. So we come out. We're going to. We don't need it. Ooh, that's not the color I want. Gross. So we come out here. We're going to then spit you out back in this direction. We want you to go through here somehow. So you get in here, go up. Maybe we just let them play with the grappling.
I thought I'm long gonna be in there.
Let's just actually take that all the way over. That way there's no confusions. Oh. Okay, so you go up. Let's just give that a nice little twirly dirl. Oh. I'm gonna go ahead and bring the grapplers over. Interesting. So what we shall do, instead of letting them just go all the way up it, we're gonna be jerk knots. I don't even think we need to go that far. We can just do that, and that will screw them over hard enough. All right, let's see. What am I trying to do here? My brain is not being a brain. Being the opposite of a brain. All right, let's just see how difficult that is. Yeah, it's not too incredibly hard. And they go up. They're like, oh, shit. We. No, we don't need any of this. We can just take all that out. And what do we have? What do we have? What do we have? Actually, instead of that happening, I think we should have another trial here. Man, these UI things, they're really... Trial, and then you can go down. And when you go down, you can then head over here somehow. Huh? Okay, that way. Oh, need to break this out here. So they have another challenge. And then another challenge, a challenge, and another challenge. And then they have the fall. And then this shall spit them back out up here. All right. Gotta think of the other challenge here. What is it going to be? So we can go down, we can go up, and we got to wall jump. So now we're learning how to do all these things. Come back, and we can, if we get past him, that's all that matters. We'll just touch her, and that's it. All right. So what do we have? Unfortunately, time is short, and I'm gonna have to finish this tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out, and appreciate the love, the lurk love. I think I know who that is. So yeah, cheers, my bros. Thanks for watching.